best English speaking tips that actually work with example. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will share 10 practical tips that will help you improve your English speaking skills. I will also give you simple examples so you can start practicing immediately. Let's begin and stay tuned for most important tips. Tip number 1. Think in English. The biggest mistake is translating every sentence from Hindi to English. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking, मुझे चाय पीनी है, think, I want to drink tea. Start with small thoughts like, I am hungry, I am tired, it's raining. Do this every day and your speaking speed will improve. Tip number 2. Speak every day. Speaking is a skill. You cannot improve it by only reading books. Practice speaking for at least 15 minutes every day. Talk about your daily routine. For example, I woke up at 6 o'clock. I had breakfast. Now I am going to work. The more you speak, the more you confident become. Tip number 3. Learn new words with sentence. Don't memorize only the meaning of the word. Always learn the word with a sentence. For example, word confident. Sentence, I am confident about my presentation. This helps you remember the word naturally. Tip number 4. Practice in front of mirror. Stand in front of mirror and introduce yourself. For example, hello everyone, my name is Neha. I am learning English because I want to speak confidently. This improves confidence, facial expression and body language. Tip number 5. Listen to English every day. Listening is as important as speaking. Watch English videos, podcasts, interviews or news. Don't just listen, pause the video and repeat what the speaker say. For example, speaker, practice make progress. Then you repeat. Practice makes progress. This is called the shadowing technique and it's one of the best way to improve pronunciation. Tip number 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many people never speak because they fear making mistakes. Remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. For example, instead of saying, I can't speak English because my English is not perfect, say, I am learning English every day. Confidence is more important than perfection. Tip number 7. Read aloud. Read newspapers, storybooks, or English articles aloud for 10 minutes daily. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. Reading aloud improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Tip number 8. Record your voice. Use your phone to record yourself speaking. Then listen carefully. Ask yourself, did I pronounce the word correctly? Was my speed too fast or too slow? Did I hesitate? Recording yourself helps you notice mistakes that you may not realize while speaking. Tip number 9. Learn phrases instead of single word. Native speakers usually use phrases, not isolated words. Instead of learning only happy, learn I am so happy. That made my day. I am on cloud 9. Using phrases makes your English sound more natural. Tip number 10. Stay consistent. This is the most important tip. You don't need to study for hours. Just practice 15 to 20 minutes every day. Small daily improvements create big results over time. Remember, consistency always beats intensity. If you follow these 10 tips every day, you will notice a big improvement in your English speaking skills. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today because every conversation makes you better. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell me which tips you are going to start using today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.